Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 29, 2021. Today's video is about Seal of Wisconsin. This historical depiction of the coat of arms of Wisconsin was illustrated by the American engraver Henry Mitchell in State Arms of the Union, published in 1876 by Louis Prang. The symbols depicted on the shield in the center represent the changing focus of the state's economy from fur trading to lead and iron mining, agriculture, manufacturing and shipping, as well as the traditional motto of the United States, e pluribus unum. The badger depicted above the shield alludes to Wisconsin's nickname as the Badger State, while the cornucopias in the base represent prosperity and abundance, and the lead ingots mineral wealth and the original 13 U.S. states. Wisconsin's state motto, Forward, appears above the design, which also features on the state flag and the state seal. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.